Hi, my name is Carlos Fernandez Pello. I'm a professor of mechanical engineering, and I'm also associate dean in the graduate division. Also, I'm the faculty director for the NSF LSAMP program. So through my work, I have quite a bit of activity in trying of increasing the diversity here at the University of California, Berkeley. And often I'm asked, why are we interested in increasing the diversity of the university? And it's very simple. We are a state university, and we must represent the population of the state that is becoming more and more diverse. But it's even more than that. Keep in mind that this is a research university, and we firmly believe that to diversity increases creativity. And as a research university, creativity is very important, therefore diversity is very important. Just to give you a few facts of that verify that we are interested in increasing the diversity of the campus, the Chancellor recently created a position that is the Vice Chancellor for Equity and Inclusion, that is devoted precisely to that, to increase the diversity of the campus. Not only of the students, but the staff and the faculty. We have diversity programs that are devoted to increasing the diversity of the population. For example, we have the graduate diversity program that is running. It was before under the umbrella of the graduate division, and now is under the office of the Vice Chancellor of Equity and Inclusion. And that program is devoted to through either bringing students in summer programs like the LSAMP is, or helping the students to apply to Berkeley, following up with mentorship. That program is totally devoted to increasing, particularly the diversity of the graduate students. And we have a director, Carla Trujillo, that has tremendous experience through many years, first working in the College of Engineering and now university-wide. We have Cynthia Ladd-Beatty that also worked with Carla Trujillo and is in charge of summer programs and many other activities, mentoring and many other activities related to diversity. We have the American Indian Graduate Program with Carmen Fohorn and Cindy Andalo, that they have tremendous dedication and experience to the program, and they really mentor and work with the students in an incredible way. We have the diversity directors. These are different colleges have the diversity directors that they are there to just basically their main function is to increase the diversity of the programs in their different colleges, and they help the students they recruit the students, they help the students in their applications, they follow up with mentorship, they work with the faculty to help them choose and bring forward the best students and most to the university. In the graduate division, we have fellowships that they are geared to increasing the diversity of the university. So, you know, all this that I'm telling you this is just to encourage you to apply to UC Berkeley. It's not only the top or one of the, if not, I mean, we claim that is the top public university in the country. But also, I think that is a place that we really work hard to make the life of diverse students better. So I think that you also, I mean, Berkeley is a very interesting place. It's the San Francisco Bay Area is a very diverse place for not people, food. So I think that coming to Berkeley, you will find yourself in an atmosphere that you will feel comfortable. It will be challenging. Berkeley is a very challenging place, but you will be supported through other students that have or that are more senior and is going through the process, and also a staff that really works very hard to make sure that you succeed in this place. So please apply to Berkeley. We want you here. We know that this, particularly from the NSF LSAM program, that they are one of the top students through the country, and we want you here. Please apply. We will help you in the process. You know, applying, you have to, when you are working on applying, you will have to work on the application, make the best of possible of the application. We will help you to do that. So here is the message. We want you here. Apply to Berkeley. Thank you.